Hey guys, it's Jessie Lipke. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making lemongrass chicken. This is a traditional Vietnamese dish. While keeping the authentic flavors, we're just going to make a few substitutions in order to make this low carb. So let's get started. Here are a few of the ingredients that you're going to need for today's recipe. So we have 4 chicken thighs, we have our low carb noodles. This is the brand I'll be using, but you can use whatever you prefer. Then we have some tomatoes, carrots, cucumber, cilantro, romaine lettuce, of course lemongrass, and then we have a red chili pepper. If you can find a bird's eye chili pepper, that is the traditional Thai chili, but whatever pepper you find will do. And then we have some garlic. So go ahead and grab all of those ingredients and let's go. To start, we're going to prepare our lemongrass chicken. We're going to be creating a marinade that's going to rest in the fridge for about an hour, or you could leave it overnight to give it additional flavor. So I'm just going to start by getting my lemongrass, and I've already cut it into small little chunks, and I'm going to place it in this blender. We're going to add our lemongrass. This should be about 4 tablespoons. 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon, 4 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of coconut aminos. This is an alternative to soy sauce. And then we'll be using 4 tablespoons of a brown sugar alternative. This is the brand I'll be using. So this is sweetened with stevia. Perfect, and then you're ready to mix. Okay, we're ready to put this in the fridge to marinate for an hour. You can also leave it overnight. For my carrots, I'm going to peel them and make them into pretty little roses. Another option for this dish is you can make pickled carrots, so you can do whatever you prefer. Now that all of our other ingredients are washed, cut, and ready, we can move on to cook our chicken. So I've just placed a bit of tin foil down. Now we can take our chicken and place it in. Now make sure to keep this juice, as halfway we will baste the chicken. So we're just going to pop our chicken in the air fryer. We're going to have it at temperature is going to be at 195 degrees Celsius, and then we're going to have that on for 16 to 18 minutes. We're going to start at 17. So while our chicken is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my low-carb noodles. Just follow the instructions on the back, as it may vary between brands. So I'm just going to rinse these under running water for 1 minute. Add a bit more of this juice. So we're going to move on and make our Vietnamese dressing sauce. So we're going to start with our chili. So I just have some red chili here. If you're not great with spice, then do this according to your spice level. 4 cloves of garlic. Next, I've added 1/3 of a cup of stevia, 1/4 of a cup of rice wine vinegar, 1/3 cup of fish sauce, 3/4 of a cup of hot water. Okay, our chicken is done. Look at that. I wish you could smell it. It smells incredible. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy. Make sure to give this recipe a try, and we'll see you next time.